Hello everyone and welcome back. So for those that have been asking, yes, I had another surgery. This time I had my right arm repaired. Last year I had this arm repaired twice. And both times after I had the surgery on the left arm, the doctor, the orthopedic surgeon, great guy, great surgeon, wrote me a prescription for OxyContin. And you know what I said to him? Doc, you know what we do for a living. I'm flushing this down the toilet. This time that I had the surgery, the third surgery, the doctor, who was a different surgeon, another great orthopedic surgeon, did not prescribe me oxys because I told him, don't prescribe me oxys. I'm flushing them down the toilet. This stuff is dangerous. And here we go. OxyContin maker Purdue Pharma's criminal sentence could be the last step before the company dissolves. I'll put a link to this article, in the description for the my goodness me. I will put a link to the article in the description for the video. My apologies. OxyContin maker Purdue Pharma is expected to be ordered to pay $225 million in a criminal case related to how it sold its blockbuster opioid painkiller. Yeah, some blockbuster. OxyContin maker Purdue Pharma could be dissolved and replaced by a company focused on the public good by the end of this week. Aren't they supposed to be doing something for the good of the public? As a massive legal settlement resolving thousands of lawsuits that are set to take effect. I mean, I get it. You know, we all have to put food on the table, and I don't have a problem with pharmaceutical companies making money, lots of money, because that incentivizes them to make more, drugs and opioids that can potentially help us. Some people who've been addicted to opioids or lost loved ones to the drugs are expected to persuade the judge to reject the negotiated sentence, arguing it doesn't provide them with real justice. The sentence would call for money, but no individual punishment. Only the company was charged, not individuals. What does this mean? It means all the top management, the ones that knew this stuff was killing people, the ones that knew this stuff was addictive and dangerous, guess what? They're not getting held accountable at all. And what do you tell the families who lost loved ones? Well, they'll probably get a few dollars thrown at them, I'm sure. But it doesn't unring the bell. It doesn't bring their loved ones back. And I don't think this is an appropriate punishment. And the company's going to get dissolved and there'll be a brand new company. They'll just go on. So I'll let you read this article for yourself. If you are somebody out there who has used this drug and felt its powerful effects, or if you're a family out there and you lost a loved one as a result, or you had a family member who was addicted and it caused all kinds of chaos and nightmare in your family, I'm interested to hear what you have to say. And if there's an issue going on in your family and I've not made you a video, let me know. I'll make you a video that talks about the issue you're dealing with, because if it's affecting your family, it's probably affecting somebody else's. And if you like this content, please give me a thumbs up. They tell me it helps with the algorithm, and I want to get seen hopefully by as many people as we can, because the mission is to save families, and that means we need people to watch these videos. So please give me a thumbs up. It helps. And if you want more of this content that I make for you every single day, please subscribe to the channel. And with that said, thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.